No more adverbs! Why do people keep telling me to stop using adverbs? Calm down. In the best speech and writing, there's actually a reason to avoid adverbs. But I love adverbs though. Compare these sentences. I closed the door loudly and I slammed the door. Really, what's wrong with the first one? Slammed is a strong verb and closed loudly is a weak verbal construction. You can't be serious. In the best speech and writing, you want to be clear and concise. Closed loudly is 2 words. The verb closed is weak because it needs an adverb to help it. Slammed is a strong verb. It doesn't need an adverb. When you see a verb and an adverb together, it usually means the verb is a weak verb. So those are real grammar terms, weak verb and strong verb? Yes, so when you see a weak verb, you're supposed to replace it with a strong verb. Here are some examples so you understand. Eat hungrily would be devour. Walk quickly would be sprint. And look quickly would be glance. Dude, at first I thought you were tripping, but grammar influencer, you're the truth, bro.